How to give access to Google Drive on Android. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily give access to Google Drive. First off, head over to Google Drive application on your phone and make sure to log into your account. Now select the file or a folder that you want to give access to. So let's say I have this folder called audio and I want to give access to someone. What I'm going to do is tap on the three dots, and from this folder, I'm going to tap on share. From the share option, you can add the people's name. So let me just search for the name and then enter their email. You could also notify the persons or people. So just tap on send and you could give them editor access or even viewer access. Now, if you want to share a link, in that case, click on manage access. Now let's say I want to change this person from editor to just a viewer. I'm going to tap on them. Tap on the name and then change it to viewer. Now they can only see what's inside the folder and not edit it. Now change the restricted access and then change it to anyone with the link. Once you do that, you can copy the link and then share it anywhere you want. Let's say if I open WhatsApp, go to a chat, I'm just going to go ahead and share the link right here. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.